Hi, it's Jacqueline DuPont, Gerontologist here, and I want to talk about today an interesting topic that was brought up the other day, to decorate or not. Should you be decorating for the holidays for your loved one? As long as it's okay with, of course, your loved one's preference, that's not offensive to their religion or their lifestyle. If they really are having, bouts of memory loss, maybe they have MCI or maybe they have Alzheimer's, whatever the case is, it's a little harder to know, do we do this or not? And the question's been coming up lately, and what I've been telling families is, if they were in love with the holidays when they were living at home, living their life when they were younger, they loved decorating for Halloween, they loved Christmas, they remembered Labor Day, then please continue the routine, because most likely they're going to revert back to their long-term memory and really, want the pumpkins up. And the pumpkins are a cue and a reminder to Halloween. Where it gets a little iffy is, do you put up scary skeletons? They may have loved witches and skeletons and poison apples, but it may be a little bit agitating or triggering to a nightmare, or you don't want to have on those really scary movies during this time, and you always know Halloween comes on the TV. Try to skip that and really try to stay away from the really scary, morbid. Of course, you don't ever want the tombstones for obvious reasons, but other things like, scary faces, or they're just not probably appropriate. But anything else that's fall and lovely and pumpkin-y, the pumpkins and the scarecrows, they're really appropriate. Especially, again, if that older adult really loved that when they were younger, or even recently. In regard to Christmas and going home for the holidays or going home for Halloween, one tip is always to, if they loved giving out candy at home, like my mom does, I would still have them give out candy, maybe even at your home, or have a caregiver with them to do it. That's always fun, and seeing the children is really wonderful. They do seem to perk up for those kids and really love children. Although again, every older adult's different, but your parent, and that's something they really love children, or they loved Halloween, that would be really fun. Going home for the long weekend, like a 2-day or 3-day weekend at this time of the year, can be trying. It can be difficult. If they're leaving an assisted living, you're having to pack up all their medications, give them at the right time, make sure you're not changing routine too much, and that can be difficult. So really evaluate everyone case by case to see if this is appropriate to take them home, especially for an extended weekend. I hope everyone has a wonderful Halloween, and if you have any questions about to decorate or not, or any kind of cues or reminders in the holidays, let me know. Happy Halloween.